Okay, so we've got a 2019 Mercedes-Benz A250 in a 4Matic 5-door hatchback. It's like a nice sort of mid-grey in colour. Got the reverse camera and reverse sensors there, nice set of alloy wheels. Got the big panoramic sunroof. The actual exterior of the vehicle is like brand new. It's only travelled, 10,000 kilometres. Got a beautiful shine around it. Let's take a look at the interior. So you've got the multi-function steering wheel there with your Bluetooth cruise control. Big digital dash. It runs the whole length. Just fantastic. Satellite navigation. Got your reverse camera. Dual zone climate air conditioning. 2 keys. Little command center there. Leather interior. Beautiful looking sort of sports seats. There's your back seat there, like it's never been sat in. Just show you inside the boot. It's a nice big boot with a floor liner. All inquiries welcome. Give us a